Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this lunchbox. It is super cute. It's got this nice lunch, just kind of embroidered on there that just sticks up a little bit, adds a little fun to it. You've got a nice handle here, and you've got two little side D-rings that you can also use another handle if you wanted to use that right here that just clips on the side so they can kind of carry it as a little purse. Now this is all insulated in here, so this will be able to keep your food hot or cold. You've got a nice little mesh area right here, but it has this nice bento box. It's got your handle on here, easy opening. You just simply lift this up, and in here, you've got so many cool things. It's got a little fork and spoon that just move around. That is so nice that these are included in here. That way your kids always have silverware when they're at school or out on the playground or whatever. All separate little containers to be able to put a variety of different things, whether you're putting some nuts in one, maybe putting some fruit in another one. It can easily separate everything out. And you have additional, if you wanted to separate it again, you can easily put that in there to separate it back out some more. So that part is really nice. These are nice little sauce containers here, little stainless steel right here. If you did have some ketchup or dip or dressing or anything like that, stick that in there. It's a nice sealable lid to be able to put on here. And our last thing, it's locking and of course, leak proof. Put soup in here. That would be great. Even put some mac and cheese in there for little kids. And great thing I love about this is you can easily take this off, clean it all up, which makes it really handy to be able to take care of. So you don't have to worry about it getting all yuck in there. Throw this in the dishwasher, it's ready to go. This is a super cute set to be able to take in for school. Put everything together, you got a matching lunchbox, and they are ready to go.